Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain things related to the horizontal alignment, vertical alignment and feature line reports, means some interval wise. Okay, so how to take that in civil 3D. Okay, earlier video I explained in open roads. In this video I will show in civil 3D. Okay, so first, yeah, once the alignment and corridor has been done, you may need some setting out points for super elevation or anything, some client requirement also there. So how to take that? First go to tool space and then click the toolbox. Okay, instead of prospector, click the toolbox. Here you can see there will be three uh, managers. So go to reports manager. Here you can see alignment is there, corridor is there, and then here you can check from the profile also. Okay, there are various number of things you can take the reports. Okay, so mine is I'm going to alignment. Here this one, station and curve, you can try on this also. This one somewhat better. Okay, right click, execute. Here pick from drawing, alignment, simply enter. Okay, here horizontal alignment. Okay, I just give some name and just create in HTML only. Later you can open in Excel also. I should see everything we got it. So this you can open in Excel, similar to like this. Okay, and use the filters or VBA and prepare as per your own requirement. Okay, using the filter. So this is one option, and one more is if you are good in XSL language or something. Okay, you can create your own requirement. Okay, and uh, select the required elements and create the tabular format. But my suggestion is better use VBA or filters. Okay, here only, and create the requirement. Once you done it, it will be useful for all projects. Okay, then for vertical, go to miscellaneous utilities. I'm not using these options. Okay, so my preference will be miscellaneous utilities. Here profile geometry point. Okay, right click, execute. Here see there are various number of profiles in the entire file. Okay, and here you can see there are various number of details you want to show. If you want to untick, just simply here, okay, just untick it. Grade in, grade out. Okay, algebraic difference also there, k value, type of curve, everything is there. Just simply create report. You can see crest curve, length, everything it is showing. This is one of the best format. Even in open roads also we don't have this much mm, cleared. So, okay, so then very simple, just here profile geometry point, right click, and then select the required element property, nothing but, and done. Now go to corridor. Here instead of miscellaneous, go here corridor. Yeah, feature line report, right click, execute. Here you can see corridor is there, just untick all. Okay, and choose the feature line name. So I am choosing the edge of the carriageway, and I want in 5-meter interval. Okay, simply create report. See, 5-meter interval, EC left, EC crown. Crown means center line, EC right, X, Y, Z values. Okay, this is setting out points. Okay, so very simple. Just go here, toolbox, feature line reports, execute, and select the required line name. Okay, edge of carriageway means nothing but point code. Point code. Okay, point code will be available in the assembly only. Directly you can refer it. Okay, and give the proper interval. Okay, so that's it. Very simple. So first for horizontal alignment, choose this one, station and curve, and then for corridor, choose the feature line report, and then for profile, go here, and then this one, profile geometry point. Okay, very simple. The only disadvantage is in the horizontal alignment. Remaining all are perfect. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.